Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change language in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet. Okay, then go to the File tab, then scroll down and click on the Settings option. And here in Settings for the spreadsheet, in General tab, you can see here the last option, Display Language is English showing. Just click on the language. So here the language tab is open. You can see the preferred language is English United States. And other language is Hindi. If you want to add another language, just click on the add another language option, and here just add your language, and after that save. After add the language, you can easily make prefer language. Okay, so here I'm going to make the prefer language Hindi. Just click on this arrow. You can see the one message pop up, make this my prefer language. Just click on arrow, and that's it, your language is changed. You can see I just go back in my Google Sheet and click on the save setting. Okay, and after that just reload, refresh your Google Sheet and wait for the few seconds and see the changes here. Google Sheet is changed in Hindi language. Okay, and if you want to change again click on the file, the first tab, and scroll down, and you can see the gear icon settings. Just click on the settings. Again the same dialog box is open, and the last option, click on the language, and again now click on the English, and here just click on this arrow to move in prefer language. That's it. I just go back and settings, save it, and after that reload your Google Sheet page, and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.